What is up? Brian here. Just want to show you something new that we got. We got this Dometic CFX 40. It's a 12 volt and it also works on 110, but it is a refrigerator freezer. And you're like, probably wondering like, what the hell you need that for, Brian? You got a refrigerator in your RV. This is not really for the RV, which we may use it for the RV. We can use it with the RV in conjunction with the refrigerator in there. But this is mainly for our Jeep, and we're going to use this in the back. If you don't know by now, we're going to end up getting a rooftop tent, rack, and everything on there. And we're going to do a little bit of different style camping rather than the RV. But anyway, we got this to put in the back. It's going to come in use for other things. When we go to Costco or Sam's or whatever like that, we'll be able to throw some stuff in there as long as it's cool. We also can use this on the boat. It has a 12 volt plug-in. The boat has a 12 volt socket in there, so we'll be able to plug that in. And let me show you this. I'm sorry we're not outside with a nice little background. We're having to do this inside. It is rainy. It's a little bit chilly outside. But anyway, this just came. FedEx just delivered it literally 30 minutes ago, and I got it out of the box. I didn't want to bore you with getting it out of the box, but just want to show it to you. So let's get to that. All right, guys, here we are. Like I said, this is the Dometic CFX 40. I think it says it can hold 60 cans. If I'm incorrect on that, I'll put a little thing down here at the bottom telling. But anyway, it says it can hold 60 cans of 12-ounce type drinks. We're going to use this for more than that. You can use it as a refrigerator or as a freezer. You can't use it for both. They do make the dual zone ones where they have a little divider in there, and one side you can do freezer and the other side can do refrigerator. We really didn't need all that. They are a little bit more expensive, but this is going to suffice more than enough, and we needed something that was going to fit in the back of the Jeep. But let me show you this here. It is pretty heavy. Anyway, this is the controls on it. I don't have it plugged in right now, so you don't see it lit up here. But you got the on and off switch. Can't tell you what those are. I think that's an error message, and that tells you when the power is on. You got the set button here. You can set different things on here, and this is of course a minus and plus symbol for the going up and down and toggling between the settings. Sorry about that. The handle is spring loaded. It's got good tension to it. Anyway, it will turn all the way up when you're carrying it. Like I said, it is a good little weight. I think the whole package was between 40 and 50 pounds. So anyway, this is the latch to the top here. You just lift up and it goes all the way up. It has a nice rubber seal on it. Let's see if I can pull this out. So anyway, this is the inside. This is the 110 cord. This is the 12 volt cord here. They were in a bag with the instructions. I just went and took those out. This is what they call a dairy tray. It doesn't get as cold as this section. I think I read that this back here is a little bit colder on this end, and it gets, you can set the temperature to what you want. But anyway, this dairy tray, that's a good, hard to tell. I'm gonna say it's a good 5 to 6 inches deep there. All right. Anyway, this rack, oops, the rack does come out. You need 2 hands really to do this, but this divider also comes out apparently. Let's see if I can get this rack out here. Anyway, I'm not gonna do it now, but this rack does come out, so you can load it and put it back in there if you need to, or if you don't want to use it, it does have an LED light here, and that illuminates the inside. So if you're in the dark, you don't have to worry about shining a flashlight in there. It will, you have light. It does have a drain plug down at the bottom if you need one, but that is basically it. I'm going to plug this thing in. I'm going to go ahead and cool it off. I'm going to see how long it takes to get. I'm going to put it about. I'm going to try to aim for about 38 degrees. See what happens on that, and we'll see how long it takes. All right, had to turn the light on the cell phone here. This is what I'm filming from. Just wanted to get this out pretty quick. But anyway, as you can tell, the left here, it says 120 volt AC. This is the DC, 12 volt. So you plug them into different outlets. But we're going to plug this into the 110. And then I'm going to plug it in up here to the socket. And we'll get it set and see how long it takes to get down to that 38 degrees. All right, I got it plugged in. Let's turn it on. All right, you have to hold the button down to get it to come on. Let's see, there's supposed to be a way to set this. Let me go back. All right, that's where you change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, which is what we want. All right. All right, there you go, 55. It's at 55 right now. So we want to set this down. So there we go. It's set to 39. So we'll leave that. That's what it automatically says to go to is the 39. So we're going to try that, and we're going to see how long it takes. It's currently at 55, and I don't know if you can hear it or not. But it doesn't put out hardly any sound, at least not right now. We'll see if that changes, but it is we'll say 410, and we'll see how long it takes to get this to start cooling down. Okay guys, while this is going to start cooling down, I'm going to show you something else we got with it. We got the insulated cover right here, and we're going to get that on there and see how it does. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but you know what? I'm going to put it on, and I'll just show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, I think I figured it out some. This is the way it goes. You set the cooler down inside. This is the front here. That flap comes over the back, and then it comes over the top. So I'll get it on there, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, folks, it was a little struggle, but I got it in there, which struggle was a good thing because it fits like a bug in a rug. It's very, very good fitting, very padded. As you can tell, the temperatures are dropped to 1 degree. Anyway, on the back side here, on both sides on the back, it zips up, it zips closed. You set the refrigerator down into it and then pull it up around it, and it zips around there. It's got these strap down hooks on all 4 corners. It's got little mesh areas where the vents are at. There's a mesh here. There's also a little pocket right here. Pretty neat. Let me turn. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it, and I didn't see this before, but there's a USB plug. And I believe this is supposed to be able to connect it to your phone via Wi-Fi. So we will give that a try as well and see how that works. But anyway, just wanted to give this a start and get it going, and we'll see how long it takes to drop down. All right, guys, just a quick update here. It has been not even, well, about 20 minutes, and it's already dropped down a good 12 degrees. So it looks like it's going to be pretty quick. It will be down from that 55 down to that 39. I'm going to guess probably in another 3 or 4 minutes. So anyway, just a quick update on that. All right, guys, quick update here. It is still steadily dropping. I don't know what that's about. I got it set for 39 degrees, but it's still dropping. It's been 20 minutes, and you can tell right there, it's been 20 minutes, and it's already dropped down from 55 down to, now it says 36. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that. I'm not sure what that's about or how long how far down it will go, but we'll test that. But let me show you this here, the cover. It velcros on. It velcros on all the way around. So if you need to get into it, just pull that up to the top so you can see the lights on inside. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm impressed. It just dropped down to 34. Keep an eye on that. I don't know what that's about, but anyway, I'll get the cover back on there. Like I said, you have to be cover. You won't have to use it all the time, but it'd be good when it's when you're trying to conserve energy, and especially if it's hot. The cover will come in really handy with that. But okay, it is showing 37 degrees right now, but it did get back up to 39. So what happened was it lowered down to 32, and then it took some time to come back up, and it got up to 39. And once 39 came on, the compressor came back on, and then it dropped down to 37. So I think it's just that's when the compressor is gonna operate. When it gets up to 39, it's gonna drop it down a couple degrees, and then once it gets back up, then it will come back on. And it's cooling down a little bit more now. But anyway, that's how it's going to operate. So just wanted to show you that, and we'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.